Now, Modi government continues its farmer outreach amid the ongoing agitation against the centre's farm laws. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will flag off the 100th Kisan Rail from Sangola in Maharashtra to Shalimar in West Bengal at 4:30 p.m. today. The event will be held via video conferencing and will have Union Ministers Narendra Singh Tomar, Piyush Goyal in attendance. The multi-commodity train service will be used to transport vegetables and fruits. Prime Minister Modi is leading the government's mega farmer outreach. He interacted with farmers on Friday and transferred 18,000 crore rupees into bank accounts of 9 crore farmers under the PM Kisan Samman Nidhi Yojana. Earlier in the month, Union Cabinet approved 3,500 crore rupees assistance to sugarcane farmers. Kabaljeet Sandhu joining us live for more details. Kabaljeet, here is the government's massive outreach, farmers' outreach, where they've also given subsidies to farmers right at a time when there's a massive agitation happening at the borders. 18,000 crores into bank accounts to 9 crore farmers that's been given under the PM Kisan Samman Nidhi Yojana. Apart from that, the subsidies of 3,500 crores to the sugarcane farmers. Do you think this will soften the stance of the farming community protesting at large?
Well, that seems unlikely because remember, they are against the three farm laws. However, the 100th Kisan Rail program, which is scheduled at 4:30 this evening, is expected to actually tell the benefit of this agro-produce. Now, this is a scheme where the trains have been put on 9 routes across the country. They're actually taking the produce of the farmers at 30% more the cost, and wherever the train stops, the number of consignments or the quantity, there is no bar which is set up. So in many sense, this is a mobile mandi. This is an extra measure where the farmers can sell their produce across the country, several states, wherever the train stops. This one is going from Sangola in Maharashtra to West Bengal. So in that sense, this is a gesture of Modi government. But remember, so far as the farmers at the borders of Delhi are concerned, they are very adamant that they want repeal of those 3 farm laws. There has been a several outreach by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, personal reach out. Union Minister Amit Shah has spoken. He said unconditional talks will be offered with the farmers. But so far the ice doesn't seem to have broken. Now all eyes are on December 29. The farmers still awaiting some sort of messaging from the government. And remember, much will depend on that. But this is obviously a measure by the Modi government to show the sincerity towards the farmers. But it is the farmers who will ultimately have to decide which way they want to go. But so far, the stalemate continues, the deadlock continues, and seems unlikely that farmers are going to budge anytime soon. They're not going to back off.
Right, Kamaljeet, thank you very much for joining us with those details there. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his outreach to the farming community there.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.